Hey guys, we're back. It's been a while, but life has been busy. You know how it goes. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the back seat. Let me get the camera again. Because this is when I do have someone who rides with me. Everything in the front seat goes to the back seat, so that's pretty much full there. Alright, got a tool bag here. There's only one tool in it because all the other tools are everywhere else. Football, you always need a football with you, so I keep that in the truck. T-shirt, another jacket, all bears. This is the stuff you put in like your kitchen drawers and your cabinets and stuff, so your things don't slide around. Why it's in my truck, I don't know. It looks like the mice haven't gotten into the Kleenex, so that's pretty good. Some more chocolate milk. These are motorcycle parts, so my motorcycle, when I honk the horn, it sounds like a train. Nice bag for wrapping gifts. Sometimes you have to wrap gifts in your truck, so keep a gift bag in there. Another hat. Sunflower seeds. Some more warm weather gear for the cold times. There are a lot of cold times up here. And another jacket and a vest. It gets cold a lot up here. And you always want to be ready for it, because it could happen any time. There's an air filter. It doesn't go to my truck. Some warm socks. This is a refrigerant to make my air conditioning work, and I think it's empty. Some rollerblades. You never know when you want to go rollerblading. Keep those in the truck. Tow strap for towing people, because that happens sometimes. Cool little cup with a thing in it. It lights up. See, it's lighting up. Oh, that way your drink sparkles, I guess. For washing the truck. I don't know why I have that, because I never wash the truck. My range headphones. Hey, the battery still works. Got my racquetball shoes here. If you aren't good at something, you should at least look like you are good at it. So always look professional. Well, you're not a professional. Some rackets for racquetball. Like I said, you never know when you're gonna play racquetball, so I just keep them in my truck along with my racquetball shoes. Some more glasses. Nice. I lose so many pairs of sunglasses in here. It's not even funny. Well, it's kind of funny. Another t-shirt. Another Cubbies hat. Ooh, a koozie. Everyone loves koozies. A box. More sparklers. Some more foot warmers. There's a milk bottle. We're getting closer, guys. I got about this half, so I gotta switch around to the other side. This is my pizza carrier. I carry pizza with it. Christmas present from my mother. She's so thoughtful. Another tool bag here. Oh, I've got a couple pairs of pliers and a knife in here. It's a big bag for just a few things. Backpack here. That one has some cool stuff in it, which you might see in a future video. So maybe I shouldn't say what that stuff is just yet. I found my other cup holders, because they come in sets of 2 usually. So there's that other one. But then these guys work really good too, because you just set them down and you can stick your drinks in there. They're great for taller drinks like this one here. Another gift bag for gifting things. A couple more air filters here. You say, Eric, why do you need 3 air filters in your truck that don't even fit your truck? I don't. Okay, got another milk bottle here. Set that with the other one. Some Glittens. These things are the bomb diggity because they keep you super warm, and they're like mittens, but they also have like little fingers for the gloves. Very nice, very nice. Again, because you gotta stay warm up here in Wisconsin. Another t-shirt here. Oh, another t-shirt. This is not a t-shirt. This is a wetsuit. You may be like, Eric, what do you need a wetsuit in your truck for? Well, in case I ever go in the water in my truck. It's cold. It gets cold up here, you know, like 12 months out of the year, the water is cold. 11 months out of the year, the air is cold. More foot warmers. Another good bag here. Here's a little Squeakers gift card. I don't know if there's anything on it or not, so I'm gonna hang on to that one and double check, because I don't want to throw away little Squeakers pizza. Another wrench that doesn't really turn so great. Turns a little bit. That can go in one of these tool bags. That's what that's for. Some spray paint here, some primer, some more air conditioning refrigerantisms, some water, some more steak seasoning here. I do like steak. Yeah, hopping up in. Yeah. Okay. Hey, this is pretty comfy back here. All right, I've got some bungee straps and stuff down here, some ratchet straps. So I'm gonna keep those in here. Just leave them under the seat. I got some wire in here. Tape measure, those are good to have. Toss those outside. Keep some cups here in case you ever need to party in the truck. Got some cups. Along with some forks. Put those right down there in the party bin. We've got some soothing gel with aloe for refreshing relief. I'll just put that right back in there. Oh, look. More mouthwash. Keep that there too. Garbage. Electrical parts that I'm not going to use, so garbage. Fruit snacks. Another cup. It's a glass cup. Hopefully it doesn't break. Sounds good. Here's a charger. Guys, I think that's pretty much everything. Wait. What are these? Whoa. A Texas sword. I don't know what these do, but are you supposed to keep that on? Or pull it off? I don't know. Look at this, guys. I don't know exactly what it does, but I want to find out. Where did my lighter go? Wait. Oh, there it is. There it is. Guys, I found it. I found the lighter. Alright, now we're going to see what this thing does. Hopefully we don't burn the house down. It's too windy. Gonna block the wind a little bit. Got it. See what it does. Whoa! Ha! I did not expect that.
That's awesome.
Guys, I think that pretty much does it. Like, let me pull the camera again so you guys can see. I still need to vacuum it out. But this is, I haven't seen that seat in a long time, a very long time. So yeah, I still gotta vacuum it out. But it's looking much more better, wouldn't you agree? Guys, if you never clean out your vehicle like me, kids, if your parents' vehicles are really messy, comment down in the comments. Yeah, that place. What's the craziest thing in your car or truck or vehicle right now? There aren't this time, but I know because I checked under the seat. There's nothing there. But I had some apples one time that were quite old, and I wondered why my truck smelled. They were more like apple juice when I found them. But yeah, let me know what's in your vehicles. Comment it down below. Subscribe, like the video. Thanks for watching, guys.